Deaf Kids Code was created as a solution to the economic and social gap that people who are deaf and hard of hearing experience. Individuals with disabilities have the ability to not just contribute, but to be the leading charge of innovation. So I promote computer science, technology, and design thinking skills to children who are deaf and hard of hearing as a way to ignite that interest. Everything that we do is small and accessible workshops and classroom type settings. Hands-on project-based learning. You never forget what you do. The Purdue relationship is everything to me. We both were giving TEDx talks. That's how I discovered him as the nanobot guy, the guru of nanos. And so I approached him and I said, help me create cool projects that I can implement. He was enthusiastic, he was genuinely interested, and him and his team, we've been collaborating and working on the project that they're doing today. We came up with this idea of a light following, light responding robot. So that's what they're creating right now. So it really is like an interdisciplinary project that incorporates all kinds of things, you know, where they can learn about physics and distance and light, as well as the mechanics of creating and manipulating a gadget to respond differently to different commands. I want them to feel empowered, that anytime they interact with a gadget, anytime they interact with anything technology-based, I want the first thought to come to their minds is, well, why can't I create something like this? I have received messages from children, emails from children and parents saying that my dream now is to create an app. One day, my goal is to create a website. One day, I want to invent, you know, something. It's pretty extraordinary and very humbling for me that when you get those type of responses. It's pretty amazing.